Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by placing the volume pot directly in the input signal path, so you control the level before the preamp. You must choose a logarithmic pot around 10K 100K because audio responds naturally to log taper. Use short, twisted wires to minimize noise. Once done, solder the input hot to the pot's left lug, output to the middle lug, and ground to the right lug. Make secure ground connections to the amplifier chassis. Make sure to insulate all joints and route wiring away from power transformers. Once mounted, focus on wiring layout to avoid hum and oscillation. Route the pot's signal lead close to the input and away from transformer fields. Use a star ground arrangement so the pot ground ties to the amp's main ground point, preventing ground loops. If you encounter high-frequency hiss, add a small 0. 1 microfarad bypass cap from input to ground, but don't overfilter because that changes tone. Make sure mechanical mounting prevents microphonics by using rubber washers if the pot transmits vibration. You finish by powering the amplifier with volume at minimum and slowly bring it up while listening for artifacts. This verifies wiring and protects speakers. If you hear scratchiness, apply contact cleaner and rotate the pot repeatedly, and replace the pot if noise persists. If levels are too low or too sensitive, check impedance. A wrong value pot changes taper and perceived range, so swap to a higher or lower K value as needed. Finally, resecure all wiring and check for stable grounding to eliminate hum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.